Hey folks, we've had a lot of customers in the last couple of weeks contact us asking how they can add a prominent notice or announcement to their site to communicate with customers how they're dealing with COVID-19. And if you're using WooCommerce for e-commerce on your site, there's an easy built-in way to do that. And you go to Customize while I'm logged in as an admin, or if you're in the back end of WordPress, you go to Appearance and Customize. It'll bring you to the same place. And you'll notice that we've got WooCommerce over here and then Store Notice. And there's basically just a little text area here that you can put any text in, and then you check this to enable it. So I'm going to just paste some text in there to show you. So there's some basic text. Here's a preview of what it would look like. If we click Publish, it's going to show up on every page of the site. And so that's the first kind of thing I want to call attention to is it doesn't matter what page or post or whatever, this will show everywhere on the site. Another thing is that there's no rich text formatting here. That is to say, it's not easy for you to like highlight a word and make it bold or add a link to these two words or something. That doesn't mean you can't do it. It just means it requires HTML. So if I wanted to add a link, I'd have to write some HTML in here. Like say I wanted the link to contact us, I could do that. And you'll see a preview over here. So because this requires HTML, if you need some HTML in there and you don't know what it is, of course there's Google, but we can also help you. So feel free to get in touch. And finally, if you're not running WooCommerce and you want to have this functionality and you don't have it in your theme or already in your site, there are some WordPress plugins that provide some functionality like this. We also have a really easy way to implement this on your site, and we can customize it to jive with your theme, your colors, your brand, your fonts, that kind of thing. So let us know if you have any questions, and stay safe.